In today's video, I will show you how to repost Instagram posts and Reels. First, you'll need to update your Instagram app, so launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app. Now you can launch the app. You will be directed to the home page. Now you can go through the home page and select the post that you wanna repost. From now onwards, you're gonna find this repost icon below the post, along with the likes, comments, and share. Clicking on that icon, the post will be reposted. Likewise, you can navigate to the Reels page. Go to the Reels and then select the Reel that you want to repost. At the right corner, you're going to find this repost icon. Click on that, and just with that, the selected Reel will be reposted. Now you can navigate to your profile page, and over here, you're going to find this repost section. Under this, you're going to find all the posts and pictures that you have reposted. So this way you can easily repost posts and Reels on Instagram. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.